In this video, we're going to show you how to pour. This is about a 20-foot by 18-foot back patio with broom finish. We are going to have a thickened footing here. We call it a continuous footing around the middle of the patio. This is going to be because these customers, they're going to go ahead and put like a covered porch. And so this is going to be where he's going to put the posts for his covered porch. As you can see, we already poured the steps. This is like a back porch steps area. So this is already done first. That way we can pour everything else around it. We're going to be using this mud buggy from Toro. So there we go. We're about to get our first pour in right there. So now we're using that hand tool right there just to move the concrete around and push it around the corners of the steps right there. And then we're going ahead and pulling the concrete here with the screed. So if you see right here on the step side, you see that mark right there. That's how we know the level of the concrete all around the edge. So that's how we have that. So there we are, just pouring one wheelbarrow at a time, and we're just moving the concrete where it needs to go. So right there we have a level. That way we can make sure that the concrete is sloping in the right direction. So there we go. We continue to screed the concrete, just pulling away any excess concrete that we have, making sure that we have as close as we can to the level that we want to have. That's a really nice tool because you can go ahead and just pull the concrete, move it, get it where you need it to be. So it's really nice. That way you can make quite a bit of advancement on a patio this size. So here we have it. We have a long screed right here, long board. This is going to help us to grade the concrete surface, so that way we can get any excess concrete away, like you see right there. You drag it, pull it up, go back, drag it, pull it up, go back. There we go, little by little. We're almost getting towards the end over here. We got maybe 3 wheelbarrows left, and we'll be good to go with all this back patio. Basically, the way how we're working this thing, if you can tell on all the edges, we're already at the same time where we kind of getting it all set up right there. Then we're also working the edges with the float. That way it's kind of where we need it to be. We're gonna get that long street right here, and we're gonna start doing the same thing from this side towards the house to screed the concrete surface. Just focused on screeding the concrete, just making sure that everything is all the concrete just leveled up with the slope from one end to the other end, starting from here. We're just gonna go all the way across. There you see the line right there. We're just making sure we're putting the concrete, that way it's nice and level with that, following that line that we have established.
Quedó de aquel lado. Ah, aguas con el hoyo.
We put in the level, you know, close by the steps and by the house, and we noticed that the slope was going towards the steps, so that's why we got to add some more concrete, you know, up against that back corner. That way we have the water sloping away from the steps and the foundation. That's how we pour a concrete back patio. This one's gonna be with Broom finish, and we still need to do all the finish details, but This video is just gonna be for, you know, how to pour a back patio. Please hit the subscribe button, and we're gonna be uploading some more videos here pretty soon of how to finish, how to do, you know, the next steps. So yeah, that way, you know, you can be expecting those. So we're gonna be putting some on here maybe every week, but yeah, pretty frequently. So hope you like this process and everything, how we pour a concrete back patio with a little mud buggy. And may God bless you and have a great day.